Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do division calculation. Division is a fundamental arithmetic operation that helps us split a total quantity into equal parts. We use specific terms. The dividend is the number being divided, the divisor is the number doing the dividing, and the quotient is the result. Understanding these basic components is the first step to mastering division, whether you're sharing cookies or solving complex problems. Now let's set up a long division problem. First, write the dividend, which is the number you're dividing, inside the long division symbol. Then, place the divisor, the number you're dividing by, outside to the left. For instance, if you're dividing 125 by 5, 125 goes inside and 5 goes outside. This clear arrangement is crucial for an organized and accurate calculation. Once set up, the calculation begins. You'll divide the first digit or digits of the dividend by the divisor. Write the resulting quotient digit directly above the dividend. Next, multiply that quotient digit by the divisor and subtract the product from the part of the dividend you just used. Bring down the next digit from the dividend, forming a new number, and repeat these steps until all digits are processed. Finally, you'll reach the end of your division. If there's a number left over after the last subtraction, that's your remainder. Remember, the remainder must always be smaller than your divisor. You can express your final answer as a quotient with a remainder, like 25 remainder 0, or continue dividing to get a decimal answer, providing a precise solution to your division problem.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.